Water for animals and plants. Just as human beings, animals and plants also need water. Let us see how and why. Water for animals. Animals need water for drinking, bathing, and keeping them cool. Land animals move from place to place in search of water. In forests, wild animals have to cover long distances in search of water during summer. Desert animals. A desert is a place where there is very little water. In spite of this, some animals live in deserts. The camel is the largest animal in the desert. It can drink about 90 liters of water in one go. It stores water in its body. It can then go without water for many days. That is why it is called the ship of the desert. Smaller animals like desert rats and snakes live on dew that collects on the desert plants. Other animals. Reptiles like lizards and snakes need a small amount of water. They fulfill their need from the body of their prey. They do not drink water like other animals do. In forests, wild animals drink water from the ponds, rivers, lakes, or ditches. Sometimes, when water of the ponds goes dry, they move to other places in search of water. Domestic animals also need water. They depend on us for water. We should give them clean water. We should give them water on time. Birds also need water. In cities, they do not get water from ponds or rivers. We should keep water for them on the roof. We should change this water daily. Water animals. Some animals live in water. They are called aquatic animals. For example, fish, tortoise, octopus, starfish, whale, etc. are aquatic animals. The body of a fish is best suited for aquatic life. It has a streamlined body that is narrow at both ends. This makes the fish cut through the water. It has strong fins to move in water. It has gills to breathe in water. The gills are richly supplied with blood vessels. They pick up oxygen from the water. The tail of the fish helps it in changing the directions. How do you know that an animal is thirsty? A dog starts sticking his tongue frequently when it is thirsty. Cattle call their masters. They begin to move around their hooks to which they are tied. Birds open their beaks when they feel hot or thirsty. Water for plants. Plants also need water like we do. They cannot live without water. They absorb water through their roots. Desert plants. Plants found in deserts need very small amount of water. So they have either no leaves or very few leaves to save water. They have spines and thorns. Moreover, these plants have very long roots which reach deep below the surface in search of water. Cactus and babool are examples of desert plants. Other plants. Some plants need neither too much nor too little water. For example, wheat, sugarcane, tea, coffee, pulses, mango, and most of the vegetables. However, paddy needs water in a large quantity. Water plants. Plants living in water are called aquatic plants. They have air bubbles in their stem that keep them floating. For example, lotus, water lily, hydrilla, water hyacinth, etc. Points to remember. Animals and plants also need water like we do. Different animals need different amount of water. Animals living in water are called aquatic animals. Plants absorb water through their roots. Some plants live in water. They are called